Okay, so good night, everyone.
Good night.
I just want to take a moment to thank God for His goodness, His grace, and His mercies throughout 2025. This year wasn't easy for me. I faced things I never thought I'd have to deal with, and there were moments where I felt overwhelming. There were times when I didn't know how I was going to make it through, but one thing I learned this year is that no matter how hard it gets, you have to keep pushing, keep going, and most of all, keep trusting in God. Even when things look rough, God kept me through His grace and His mercies. He carried me through every challenge. He reminded me to always hold on to my faith and remain steadfast, even when I didn't understand what He was doing. I'm especially thankful that God allowed me to finish my first semester of my third year in college. That alone is a testimony because it wasn't easy. He also helped me navigate challenges within my family, giving me strength and patience and peace when I needed the most. As I step into 2026, my prayer is that God will continue to cover me with His grace, His favor, and His mercy. I trust Him for what's ahead, knowing that if He brought me through this year, that He'll carry me through next year. I give God all the praise, honor, and glory, and thank you.